Good morning, dear students. Let me introduce about myself base. Myself is Muhammad Abdullah. I do have 12 plus years of hands-on experience in full stack Python developments a year. So I'm here to provide the demo on Python programming language. Okay, na, sir? If you notice on the screen, sir, here I've written, dear students, career path to become a software developer or application developer, in IT domain with any stream of engineering, dear students here. So now, dear students, most of the students, either freshers or as well as experienced people, they do have one doubt in their minds here. Okay, so career path to become a software developer or application developer in IT domains are here. Most of the students are thinking, sir, which programming language do I need to select as a fresher with any stream of education or qualifications are here? Either Python or Java or .NET, dear students here. Most, not only you people, sir, not only India, across the world, dear students, most of the students are like those people are fresher or experienced people are here. Which programming language do I need to select to start my proper career in the IT industry to become a software developer or application developer for long-term purpose, sir? Here, as I told you, sir, first and foremost thing, dear students, here we are discussing about full stack Python demos are here. So here I've written, sir, why should I learn Python programming language compared to Java and .NET, sir? Here. So if I'm talking about Python programming language, dear students, online and offline students, dear students, here, sir, Python is a nursery level programming language. If a person who can read and write the English language, that person is eligible for Python programming language with any stream of qualification or education, sir. Here, next one, dear students, Python is just like a English statement compared to other programming languages. If you're writing other like Java or .NET programming language, sir, every time we have to follow some rules, sir, here. But in Python, dear students, when you write the code, sir, here, you feel that you're writing the sir? English language, dear students, here. Next one, dear students, here? Sir, in Python, sir, here we do have only 33 reserve keywords, sir, here, compared to Java and .NET. They do have sir, 55 plus reserve keywords. Again, every month or every 6 months, they're adding somewhat here some reserve keyword, dear students. That is the biggest problem. I'm not saying, sir, .NET and Java is the not a good programming language. Every 6 months they're updating the new features, sir. Here is a problem for .NET developers and Java developers, sir. Even okay, if you got a place in as a software developer using Java and .NET domain, dear students, while doing if you're working on one project, immediately within after 6 months they will add new features. Again, we have to upgrade your sir, here you need to upgrade, then later we have to perform the implementations are here. So if you learn Python, dear students, full stack Python development after 70, minimum 50 to 60 years, dear students, no need to upgrade yourself, sir, here. So if I'm talking about Java and .NET, sir, this application these languages is only meant for to develop some specific application. If you're talking about, dear student, Python means we can develop any sort of applications are here. So next ones are here. As I told you, sir, if you know how to utilize this 33 reserve keywords here, then you can, if you know, sir, how to utilize this 33 reserve keywords, tomorrow not only you can crack the interview, sir, as a software developer or application developer with any stream of qualifications are here. So is it really happened, dear students? Sir, I am from BCom background, MBA background, EEE or EC background, or or mechanical backgrounds are here. Most of the IT companies or software development companies, dear students, are looking their student creativity and skills, sir, either if you're fresher or experienced, dear students here. If you have creativity and skills, dear students, what? With any stream of qualification or education, IT companies are offering to you, most welcome to develop, like to make your career as a software developer, like, like to in their companies as per their application requirement. So online and offline people, dear students, what? Just keep in mind, sir, I'm from different background. Is it really Python is the best choice for me to make my career in the IT industry, dear students here. So next one, sir, if you notice, sir, here I've written next one questions are what is Python, dear students here. So Python is a general purpose, mostly used high level programming language, sir, here. So very simple and powerful definition, dear students. What? Python is a general purpose, mostly used high level programming language, sir, here. For example, dear students, what? If tomorrow after end of the course, if you're going for the interviewer asking to you what is, like, Python, if you're giving the answer, Python is a general purpose, mostly used high level programming language, immediately interviewer will target to you, what does general purpose means here. So general purpose means, dear students, what? We can use Python anywhere or everywhere to develop the various application, as per the application requirement. Sir, I do have one idea in my mind. Can I convert my idea into software or application? Is it possible or not using Python programming language? Yes, dear students, it is possible. Means general purpose means no specific requirement is there, sir. As I told you, like, Java and .NET is meant for to develop web-based and enterprise resource planning application. But Python, dear students, what? Any application you can develop, sir, either ERP application or web application or desktop application or mobile based application. Means general purpose means, dear students, what here? We can develop what, dear students, what? Any application or software as per the application requirement. Next one, sir, immediately interviewer will ask you one question, dear students, what here? What does high level programming language means here? High level programming language means, dear students, what? User understandable formats here. Means a user can understand very easily what, like, logic you are writing using Python programming language. Next one, sir, immediately, dear students, what here? Sir, okay, as you're showing, sir, Python is a technology or like tool or software or language. So here Python is a programming language, dear students. Here it's not a tool or not a software. So immediately if the interviewer asking to you, can you tell me what is Python? Is it Python is technology, Python is a software, or Python is a like language, dear students? What? You can say Python is a programming language. So interviewer, again, let me tell you some tricks also, dear students. What? How interviewer will, like, ask the question, dear students here. So immediately will ask you, sir, what is a language, sir, here? So now a language is a mediator or, like, translator between users and computers for the sake of communication purpose, dear students here. So, like, what is a language? So we are discussing about, dear students, what here? Which language, sir? Python programming language. Once if you get the hands-on idea in, like, and like Python programming language, sir, here using Python programming language, dear students, what? We are sending the instruction to the operating system, dear students, what? Tomorrow that will become what, sir? One product or application as per our business requirement or as per our project requirement in the IT companies, dear students, what? So if anyone is asking to you, sir, what is a language? Python is a language. Already we know, sir, in India and across this world, there are different types of languages are there. Yes or no, sir? So what is like Python? Python is a programming language. A language is a mediator or translator between user. If anyone is asking, sir, what is a language, sir, here? A language is a mediator or translator between users and computers for communicating purpose here. So how can I, as a developer, how can I communicate with the any operating system? It may be Windows, Mac, Solaris, or any other operating system. So using Python programming language, dear students, what I can send the instruction to the operating system based on Python programming rules. Tomorrow that will become one application or software, sir. Here. So next one, dear students, what? Sir, can you tell me what is a language in general in our technical areas, sir? Here. Imagine, dear students, what? Online and offline students are here. After end of this full stack Python development, dear students, what? You may get selected in one of the result oriented companies are here. The way you impress in the companies are like with the help of coding, your communication and aptitude test. Companies, people are really impressed with your performance, dear students here. So let's say our project from China, most of the Chinese client can communicate in which language, sir? Chinese language, dear students here. Most of the Chinese language will open, dear students, what here? Most of the Chinese client, dear students, what here? Can communicate in the Chinese, what sir? Chinese language. So your manager or senior software developer, dear students, what will hire a person who can communicate in both what sir? English and what sir? Chinese language. The higher person will take the requirement from the client in the Chinese language and he or she will explain in the what sir? Requirement in English language. So developers will develop the application logics are here. So here the higher person is just like a Python language. It is a mediator between what sir? Here developers and what sir? Client to what sir? Here to interact between what sir? To how can we develop the what sir? Our application or software in our business as per our application requirements are here. So next one, dear students, what? If you notice, sir, being as a Python developer, can I provide the services to other programming languages? Listen carefully, sir. One of the powerful feature of Python programming language, being as a Python developer, if anyone was asking, sir, here, being as a Java developer, being as a C developer, being as a C++ developer, being as a .NET developer, am I able to provide the services to other programming languages? Is it possible? No, sir. But if you are learning Python programming language, dear students, what? We do have one of the powerful and unique feature in Python, dear students, what? That future name is flavors of Python, sir, here. So being as a Python developer, dear students, what? We need to write the business logic in what, dear students, what here? In Python. So we do have some of the flavors of Python. Sir, first one, we do have C Python, sir, here. So it is one of the tool or software, dear students, what? Being as a Python developer, tomorrow, if the C-based application are expecting some services, using Pythons are here. So being as a Python developer, dear students, what? I will write the business logic in Python. I will use the C Python to provide the services to C-based applications are here. So C Python is a best suitable to provide the services to C-based application. Some of the online and offline students are thinking, sir, do I need to learn C programming language, sir? Here, as a Python developer, dear students, what? Only just understand the requirement and write the business logic. Tomorrow, if C-based application are expecting some services towards here from Python language, sir, here, so we can use C Python and provide the services to C-based applications are here. Tomorrow, let's say Java application are expecting some services. What's a dear students? What? So what is, sir? Do I need to again, sir? Do I need to learn some Java, sir? No need to learn Java programming language, sir. Here, once if you get the requirement, understand the requirement and write the business logic using Python. If the Java application, Java-based application, Java-based application are expecting some services using Python, so we can go with what, sir? Here, Jython. We can use Jython. So Jython is a best suitable to provide the services via Python programming language to Java-based applications are here. Similarly, we do have Iron Python, dear students. What here? It is a best suitable to provide the services to .NET based applications are here. Next one, we do have Anaconda Python, dear students. What? It is a best suitable to provide the services to big data or large volume of application. Next one, sir. Stackless Python, dear students. What? It is a best suitable to provide the services towards, sir, concrete or multi-threading applications are here. This is the unique and powerful feature, dear students. What? No programming language supports, sir, except Pythons are here. Learning one programming language and writing the business logic, dear students. What? And providing the services to multiple what, sir, applications are here. So next one, dear students. What? If I'm talking about, sir, which programming language are trending in the IT industry or software development companies are here. First one, I do have Python programming language are here. Second one, I do have Java programming language are here. Third one, I do have what's here, C programming language. So if I'm talking about, dear students, what here, Python programming language, sir, Python can be used as a scripting language. Whatever you're seeing, sir, cloud might be here about the cloud, sir, you're using Azure, DevOps, or what, sir, automation, or like, DevOps in multiple DevOps area. In these all cloud areas, sir, here only one language Python is using as a scripting language, dear students. What? If any one of your relatives are like, is there in the AWS areas or DevOps areas or Azure, whatever the cloud platform are there, in the all cloud areas are here. First and foremost thing, if you want to become a like AWS with technical areas, sir, companies are expecting, do you know Python as a scripting language? So as per the, based on the application requirement, dear students, what? Python can be used as a scripting language. Sir, what does it mean, sir? What is the difference between programming language and a scripting language, dear students? What? I will show you technically and practically in the regular session, dear students. Here now, next one, sir, Python can be used as a what's here, object-oriented programming language, sir. Here, as you can say, sir, Java and C++, these are the object-oriented programming, not, sir, scripting language or procedural and functional programming language. If I'm talking about, dear students, what here, Python can be used as per the application requirement. I may use, sir, Python as a object-oriented programming language. Next one, sir, Python can be used as a what, sir, here, procedural and functional programming language. Even Python can be used as a, dear students, what here, modular programming language. Let me tell you another benefits of what, sir, learning. Why should I learn as a backend as a Python, dear students? What? As our quality thought and I am providing full stack Python development, sir, our motive and goal is to what? Our student after the training must and should be placed with the very good package, sir, here. So now, why should I use Python as a middle layer, sir, here? Let me tell you, once if you learn full stack Python development, sir, here in IT company or software company, sir, there are more than 10 different positions are waiting for you. Once if you also learn full stack Python development course, sir, here. So now, sir, like there is a one of the like field is a one of the like role is there in IT companies, sir, Python with automation developer. So all automation developers are here to interact with the cloud. Might be cloud is AWS or DevOps or Azure or any other different types of clouds are there, dear students. What? So automation developer will use as a Python as a scripting language to automate the requirement as per their project requirements are here. Next one, sir, if you want to develop enterprise resource planning application, anyone those people are like, if your relative or someone is there, sir, Java. Why do we use Java? Means the first and foremost thing term is like it is meant for enterprise resource planning application. So even Python can be used if you want to develop enterprise resource planning application. Then Python can be used as a what's here, object oriented programming language, sir, here. So next one, sir, if you want to develop gaming or desktop application, dear students, what? Then Python can be used as a what's here, procedural and functional programming language here. Even Python can be used as a what's here, modular programming language. Sir, can you tell me How can I provide the services to C-based application, Java-based application, .NET-based application, or any other application, sir? I will use, we do have one separate topic called modular programming language. With the help of this concept, I will understand the requirement, write the business logic, and provide the services to C-based, Java-based, and .NET-based application as per our project requirements are here. So if I'm talking about Java, dear students, what? Java is not a scripting language, sir. Here, Java is a not completely partially object-oriented programming language, sir. Here, Java is not a procedural and functional programming languages, sir. Here, sir, Java is not a modular programming languages. Might be you hearing one words, dear student, in the IT industry, layoffs, sir. Might be your answer. Most of the employees are going to fired from the very big companies. What the industry or IT companies are expecting, dear students, what you should, as a software developer or application developer, you should able to work in either like any, not only sir ERP application guys, you should able to work on desktop based application, mobile based application, web based application. As Python came into the picture, sir, data science application called AI application, machine learning application, or robotics application. Which programming language is there, sir? Even in the data analysis in the banking domain also, sir, expecting, sir, what every, if like already existing employees are there in the companies, if you're from Java domain or .NET domain, if you're not upgrading yourself in the like Python programming language, dear students, what that is the internal reason is that that's what we want to only work on ERP projects. No, like a developer, either fresher or experienced, he should work on any projects, not specific projects are here. So which programming language do I need to learn, sir? My valid like suggestion and recommendation, dear students, what try to start your career, sir, what as a full stack Python development, sir. After 6 months or 1 year, or after 2 years or 5 years, I don't want to be sit a single day on the bench, sir. Here I have noticed, sir, my one of my friend even has started my career with Java, dear students, what most of the working employees, sir, they are sitting on the bench, dear students. Here, sir, once I start my IT career in the IT industry, dear students, what, sir, I don't want to sit a single day on the bench, dear students, what which programming means as a like Python, sir, like no general purpose means, dear students, what not only one areas in a company, every company will work on desktop application, web-based application, ERP application, AI. So you automatically you should be eligible and what fix on like various projects, not only one project, sir. Which programming language, dear students, what my recommendation, not only 100%, dear student. Later, after listening the demos, you're trying to listen other demos, sir. Like after my level of training and tension, what's are here, sir, after getting the job in IT company, like my intention is what, dear students, what you happily make your career in the IT industry. After 8 months or 1 year, okay, our project is completed, please, we are going to fire you. I don't want to face like this, dear students. What? So a software development or IT company, sir, they will develop the multiple application. And another biggest reasons are here. My like okay, sir, millions or trillions of application, web-based application, mobile-based application, all application are running, sir. Okay. The biggest problem, what the problem industry, IT industry is facing, sir? Data, dear students. Here, maintenance things, guys. Here, how can we maintenance on data? We do have huge amount of data, sir. Here, how can we read the data? How can we perform the application? There also, dear students, what no programming language can beat except Python, sir. Here, if you're talking about data, dear students, what there is a huge, very huge demand in India, dear students, what as well as in the US or any other country, sir. There is a position called, dear students, what data engineer. In the data engineer companies are 70 to 80% question they are asking from Do you have hands-on knowledge Python as a scripting language? If you are very good, sir, we will hire you like, as a data engineer. We will give you some training on based on your company like level like products are here. So you can tomorrow work as a data engineer, dear students here. So in every aspect or domain, dear students, what those are working as a developer. Python is a common for every developer, sir. Here, one of my close friend, he's working in what, sir, JP Morgan's, having 14 plus years of experience as a Spring Cloud architect, sir. Here, once in a week, he's pinging me to, like, hey, Abdullah, please, when is your free time? Please let me, I need to upgrade myself. My directly clients are like, senior manager are asking about next one. Okay, you work on like, some very big ERP application, but you from now onwards you have to maintain the data. If you're maintaining the data, I'm going to be, like my mind is not structuring here. Only writing hello world, dear students, I will tell you, in the one framework is there in Java called Spring here. You have to create at least 25 folders a year. Same thing if you want to develop same like web APIs here. We have like one framework called sir Fast API. Within 3 to 4 lines, you can wind up the words, sir, write the logic, sir. Here, the main intention of Guido van Rossum, dear students, what here? First of all, simplicity. Everyone should write the logic as per the requirement by coinciding the code, dear students. Yes, another year. So that is the reason what, sir, here. So now Python is booming as per the current. If you notice, dear students, what recently even I too see in the BBC News, like there was like Sundar Pichai is there. He said, sir, now, okay, we developed number of application. The biggest problem, not only Google, like Facebook, Microsoft, now they are going to face tomorrow, they are going to face the problem of data, or dear students, what? Like, huge amount of data. So in the Python, dear students, what? While working, the person who introduced like Python, sir, Guido van Rossum, is while working in Google company. Currently, he's working for Dropbox, sir, here. So previously, he developed this Python while he was in Google company, sir, here. Their intention is what, sir? Tomorrow, world is going to face, okay, application is there, sir. They're going to face the problem with the data. So how can I to understand? He did the R&D from the not only C, sir, COBOL and Pascal kind of language. He did the all R&D and develop one programming language. So he already announced that one day will come, dear students, what? Every software developer or application developer, they should have, all developer must and should have very good knowledge on Python if they want to sacrifice the career in IT for long-term career. So that is the reason what, sir, my valid suggestion is to what, sir, whether you decide or not decide to do or not, anywhere you're going, sir, try to go with Python programming language, sir, here. So if I'm talking about C, sir, here, C is not a scripting language. C is not an object-oriented programming language, but C is a purely procedural and functional programming language. Even C is not a modular programming language, sir, here. So compared to, sir, what? If you're learning, sir, like most important things are compared to Java, C, .NET, Python, why people are moving to the Python programming language? Okay, sir. So for some of the requirement, if I'm writing in the 50 lines of code in my Java, sir, we can wind up this same logic within 4 to 5 lines of code, sir, here. So generation also changing, sir, here. Even you people are expecting, sir, I would like to become a software developer very span of short time, sir. I should be able to work on particular projects, sir, here, which is the programming language, sir. There is nothing but, dear students, what? Python is the programming language. In the another reason I want to tell you, dear students, what? So there would be tomorrow, sir, fact, like a focus on reality, sir. There won't be a, sir, keep in mind, testers in the company, sir. Here recently, my Google, not Google, sir, one company, OpenAI, sir, they have introduced ChatGPT, dear students, here. Completely ChatGPT is the AI module, sir, that is completely developed using Python programming language. Hey, chat, for example, this is my ChatGPT. ChatGPT, this is my code. Can you debug the code? Automatically, you will debug the code and show these are the errors, and your product is working. Not only this one, sir. There are n number of features are there. Like already, dear students, what? more than 75 million users are using what, sir? Chat GPT, which is open AI, sir, here. So like this, not only this one applications are here, there are, dear students, number of application. Means even if the application is there, sir, maintenance is the biggest problem. For example, sir, today I'm getting what, sir, in my every batch you can find out like 80 to 90 students or max, like tomorrow, like based on if you get placed, if I'm getting thousands of students, sir, I'm helpless, sir. I cannot manage them. So I need to make very big classrooms. I want to divide the batches. Yes or no, sir? So similarly, if you're maintaining the data of your applications, sir, compulsory keep in mind, dear students, what you should have, because in Python we do have powerful libraries called NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and any other like some of the powerful tools are there. With the help of these tools, sir, the power of these tools are automatically within writing to two or three lines of code, we can predict the exact data what the companies are expecting and what the client is expecting, dear students, here. So now next one, if you notice, sir, what, where can we use Python? As I told you, dear students, what, Python is a general purpose programming language. So sir, can you tell me, sir, general purpose means we can use Python and Python anywhere or everywhere to develop the various application. Can you tell me, like, sir, what, sir, MPL means what? I'll tell you, sir, Akash, modular programming language. I'll give the time in the after end of the demo. Whatever the doubts you have, sir, you can ask after the end of the demo. Okay, sir? So now, sir, can you tell me, once I learn full stack Python development, how many types of application am I able to develop once I enroll in the IT company as a software developer or like what, application developer or whatever the background, like whatever the positions are here? You should able, a Python developer be able to develop what's are here, to develop desktop applications are here, to develop, dear students, what, web-based application. In web-based application, dear students, what, we can develop 4 different types of web application. First is business web application, second one is e-commerce web application, third one social media web application, and fourth one in like enterprise resource planning applications are here. Next one, sir, to develop network based application. Next one, sir, to develop database application. Sir, can you tell me why Python is booming? Like everyone is talking about Python, sir. Can you tell me what is the valid reason in the IT company, sir? So Python is booming, like, everyone is asking about, every developers, whether fresher, experience, they must learn Python. One of the valid reason to develop IoT applications are here. Internet of Things application. What does it mean, sir? When the two objects or two devices are like want to communicate with internet connection, sir, that all application comes under IoT, sir, here. Recently, 1 year back, dear students, what? 1 or 2 years back, MI Mobile has introduced one AI application in their mobile devices. If you have internet connection and AC, you can operate any AC, dear students, what? Even Alexa also, and like, Alexa is also kind of what's our IoT application, dear students. What can you tell me? Imagine, dear students, what, not only in India, across this globe and across this world, in this world, sir, there are n number of like, product based companies are there. Those people who want to develop the product, dear students, what, every company would like to develop IoT application. They want to check the what is the problem with it. It may be laptop or any device, fan, anything, sir, here. They want to check their internal performance, what, using software, sir, here. They can consume the data and analyze the data. If is there any problem in particular device, software itself says that this is the problem, sir, here. Directly technician will come and remove this device and fix that one and make it work, sir, it is working properly, sir, here. So imagine, dear students, what in recently as a Tesla is introducing what, sir, here, all like, like driver, like, like they want to remove what, sir, cars, like electronic cars, dear students, what, all internally will like what, like about what, sir, robotics and AI compulsory. In 2 years back, he said, sir, I'll prove you what is Python, sir, using my like new innovative projects, dear students. What completely there also we can use, sir, Python programming language, sir, here. Next one, guys, to develop machine learning application, which is a part of, might be hearing one word, sir, data science. If you're like you're hearing about, sir, like data science, There are two fields are there, sir. As I told you, sir, I'll provide the valid suggestion. There are two positions are there. One is, sir, in the data science field, like machine learning application, which is a part of one data science, sir. So there are two positions are there in the IT companies, sir. One is for those people from BCom or MBA background, or even, sir, I'm not that much of very good in the coding. I have 30 or 40% of coding. I will use the tool and I'm able to write the logic, sir. Like this is Python as a scripting language. Is another here. So if you notice, dear students, what one position called DAD, data analysis developer, sir. Here, as a data analysis developer, sir, I will recommend once those students are joining, like, from new totally BCom background or MBA background or ECE, triple, sir, I'm not that much of very good in the coding language. First priority, I'll give it to you, sir. Apply as a data analysis developer, and keep in mind, sir, banking application called JP Morgan's or all banking application, they are expecting the needs are what? They need some data analysis developer where, like, our data analysis developer what can write the business logic and design. So what is going on in our like projects and application? So most of the banking application are expecting, sir, they need some data analysis developer. If you need some data analysis developer means along with Python, we have NumPy, Pandas, and some of the tool like Tableau, Power BI, and most important and powerful, like dear students, what tool called? Nobody, sir. Those people are working in the IT industry. Those only know, sir. We might be till now you hear Power BI. Power BI value is gone, sir. One another new tool is came for the data visualization from IBM company that is called Watermark. If you have only some of the students are working, sir, some of the Indian like employees, they have basic knowledge on Python plus Watermark, dear students. What they're getting, they're earning their salary is what 16 to 20 lakhs a year. Even IBM says that if you want to become a data analysis developer, Python plus Watermark, you can easily work as a what's data analysis developer, sir. Another one position is there, sir, data scientist developer. For data scientist developer, no doubt, sir, packages are mind blowing, sir. Here, not only for IIT, sir. Some of the students, sir, my coding is very good, sir. Why won't we get the package like 75 lakhs or 1 crore package? The reason is, dear students, what? First and foremost thing, if you want to become a data scientist developer, your mathematics should be very strong, sir. I'm not talking about statistic kind of things. Laplace transform is there. If you are giving the assurance, sir, I want to upgrade myself, sir. I don't know, sir, Laplace complication. If you have very good knowledge on Laplace transformations, sir, here in the era of data scientist developer, dear students, what data scientist developer will first develop one algorithm. And but that algorithm completely keep in mind, sir, like 99% you should have very good knowledge on mathematics, dear students. What if you have very good knowledge on mathematics, sir? Data scientist developer will design some algorithm. After designing the algorithm, I may use the technique of Python programming language and develop one business logic, dear students. Here, whatever, if you notice, sir, Google Maps, Ubers, what is this, sir? Well, algorithm is there, dear students. What even if I'm searching something, na, sir, searching something, that is one algorithm techniques are there, dear students. Means data scientist developer are the one of the major like employees to like corporate to handle the complete major activity in the software, like era, dear students. That's what for this position, if like anyone is very good, sir, here I will recommend, sir, first mathematics, dear students. What if you want to start your career, those people from very good schooling, sir, if your mathematics is very good, sir, here if you're giving the assurance, sir, I will recommend you for those students who are, sir, go to the data scientist developer. Tomorrow, if you're like learning coding and like plus mathematics, dear students, what definitely you can also get the biggest package, dear students. What recently 3 months back, still posting is going on, sir. Microsoft says that as a fresher, as a data scientist developer, we are ready to give you 1 crore 34 lakhs a year. Clearly, he mentioned that they should have very good knowledge on Python programming language. Even some of the Microsoft people are saying that they're trying to use .NET, sir. There are no jobs available, sir. Keep in mind from the .NET era, sir. Okay, sir. So next one, dear students, what to develop AI application means artificial intelligence application. It is also one of the part of data science field, dear students. Here, next one, sir. Python is rolling in the gaming industry as well, sir, yet to develop gaming application also. As I told you, sir, those people from like, BCom or any other background, dear students, what Python is like widely using in the financial sector also, dear students, here to develop finance-based application. As I told you, sir, the companies like JP Morgan, HSBC, Wells Fargo, these are the big companies are looking for data analysis developer like in India, sir, not I'm talking about like overseas, sir. Here, they're ready to pay the entry level salary from 6 lakhs to up to 9 lakhs, dear students. Here, so if you're very strong in the tool like NumPy, Pandas, and Watermark, sir, which we are going to, whatever I'm saying, sir, we are going to discuss in complete full stack Python development course, sir. Here, so for those people, even if your friends are there, sir, some of the students like those from rural areas, dear students, what they don't have proper guidance, dear students, what if they have some expectation or like their goal, the mindset is what their IQ test is very good. I've seen, sir, some of my friends from native places, they are ruling in the IT industry more than 1 year package, sir. Getting the point? They're from not from like MCA background or CSC background, sir. They are from non-technical EEE background. Currently, sir, what rolling in the IT industry, dear students, by getting huge packages, sir. Here, if even dear students, what if you're like friends, those are friends are the dear students, what is small. So like as a being, as a human being, dear students, what at least you came for the demo. My suggestion is was to give the valid suggestion. Otherwise, it's your like you think and decide, sir. Whoever like friends you have, those are people are expecting, sir. I do have one like hope and goal set, like mindset. I want to become a software developer. Tell them, dear students, what learn Python with right areas, dear students. So these are the, dear students, what application am I able to develop once if I learn full stack Python development, dear students. Here, next one, sir. Now, sir, the person who introduced Python programming language, dear students, what his name is, what, sir? Here, Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum has given some powerful, like he has given some limitation or restriction, dear students. What are the restrictions, dear students? What we cannot develop mobile-based and ERP application, sir. Just now, 10 minutes before you said, no, sir, it is a general purpose programming language, sir. So 1 year before, sir, Python Software Foundation and Guido van Rossum, sir, while developing mobile-based application and ERP application, developers are facing the many problems, sir. Here, so that's what they have given some powerful libraries, dear students. What one of the powerful libraries and benefits are here. Okay, sir. Most of the, even I'm from Hyderabad, sir. My native place only Hyderabad, sir. Amirpet and SR Nagar is famous for software courses. Yes, no, sir. Here. All people are explaining GUI, sir. Only iHub and Collider, sir. I will not go with graphical user interface for developing for desktop application. Instead of, I will go with Kiwi. Kiwi is the Python-based framework. What is the speciality of this framework, sir? Here, for example, sir, using GUI, you are able to develop like desktop application with what's the same. For example, the speciality of Kiwi frameworks are here. For example, let's say one of the like our client is saying to develop one simple application for desktop. So if you're doing the coding in what, sir, for desktop application, if tomorrow like I want to develop, sir, same application I want to deploy in the what Android platform and iOS platform also. So like as a Kiwi developer, Python with Kiwi developer, writing the logic only one time to develop what's some application. That application same we can deploy in the Android platform, iOS platform, and as well as desktop platform as well, sir. Here, instead of like learning graphical user interface, dear students, what? Why don't you learn Kiwi as a framework? As a Python developer, doing the code only one time. How many application I develop, sir? 3 applications. One is for desktop, one is for Android platform, one is for iOS platform, sir. Yes, sir, here. So now next one, dear students, what? We do have some of the features of Python programming language. Guys, simple and easy to use, sir. First and foremost thing is, sir, Python, when you write, if the Python developers are writing the business logic, dear students, what? They feel that they're writing what, sir, here? English statement, not a programming language, sir. Here. On even Python can support only 33 reserve keywords. If you know how to utilize these 33 keywords, dear students, what? Tomorrow you can crack the interview and as well as successfully you can work, sir, here. So remaining, dear students, what? Remaining features we have, dear student, number of features will you have, sir, here. So one of the another features are what? Dynamically typed programming language, dear students, here. Sir, what does it means? So interviewer will ask you one question, dear students, what is the common difference between Java and Python, sir, here? So here you can say to understand dynamically typed programming language. So I've written one Java code, sir, simple Java code, dear students. What? I've given some option as well, sir, here. So now, even if you don't have any idea, dear student, what? In Java programming language, I've given two options, sir. First one, SE. SE means syntax error, and second one is what? 300. So Java is a, dear student, what? Statically typed programming language. So what does it mean, sir? While declaring or defining a variable, we must define type explicitly or data types are here. Otherwise, you will get the syntax error. Syntax error, dear students. What? If I'm talking about Python code, dear students, what? Python is a dynamically typed programming language. While declaring, sir, what? Variable, one or more than one variable. No need to define data type or type explicitly, sir. Even Python act as a what, sir? Here, dynamically typed programming language, sir, here. So next one, dear students, what? Like we have a number of features are there, sir. Our management will provide the complete, already I've given, sir, because of my voice, some of the students, reference students, sir, what happened to Abdullah, sir, voice, sir, because here I'm handling, sir, what? After continuously till what? 7:30, I do have continuously non-stop Python classes at this, sir. Due to some, actually, I've taken some 2 days back some cold drink. The voice problem is there, okay, sir. So how can we start this career? Everything, sir. Okay, you can go with what, sir. So most important, sir, like our manager is want to talk to you guys here. The most important thing, dear students, what here? My small request, sir, here. If you really want to become a software developer or application developer, either Python, Java, or anything, sir, practice makes man perfect, sir, here. If you're not doing practice, sir, I'm helpless if you're even from any stream. If you're doing practice, sir, not getting, sir, concept, I'm trying to explain more than 10 times, dear students, here. This is my service, sir, until and unless to get the job. Second most important questions are here. Those people from like BCom background or like, EC or triple MBA background, most of the IT companies will ask you, like, how did you hire you, sir? So here in the quality.io, sir, I'll explain live projects as per your requirement using Django and Flask. I'll give you 2 projects with roles and responsibility. You can put these 2 projects in your resume. Every IT recruiter easily consider and make a call to you, sir. You can, sir. So this is the very simple demo, dear students. What? As I told you, there are n number of positions, or these are the positions in IT company. Once if you learn full stack Python development course in the like what, sir? Like once you like learn full stack Python development course, dear students, what? These are the positions are waiting for you, sir.